Hi guys, welcome to this part of Python programming. In this video tutorial, we'll be learning about what is a list in Python. So basically, what is a list? In which situation we'll be using it? Let's say it now. Lists are basically used to avoid number of variable declaration for a same situation. So let me explain this in detail. So a list is a data structure in Python that is a changeable ordered sequence of elements. Each element or value that is inside list is called an item. Just as strings are defined as characters between two quotes, lists are defined by having values between a square bracket. Let me show you example here. So you can see that a variable will be declared like variable a equal to this list. Inside square bracket will be declaring the strings in quotes and numbers as it is. So here we are with the example of list in Python. So here in this example we are having a list named friends. Inside friends we have declared three names which are Akash, Gauri and Shankar. So now I'm just going to print the list. So here you can see all the three names are being displayed. If I go with the list index of 0, you can see only the first index is being displayed. So in my next video you'll be seeing some advanced concept of list. And if you are not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe now and stay updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you.